Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, greetings of the day and a very warm welcome to Indu's Academy of Biology and Medicine, an exclusive knowledge, exam and career-oriented online learning platform. The mission of IABM is to ensure quality education which is affordable, attainable and accessible to all the students and faculty members whom we serve. The vision of IABM is to make learning imperative, innovative, informative and interesting. With this mission and vision, as you all know, myself, Dr. Indumati Somsundaram, initiated this IABM to groom the students and faculty members for their tomorrow's bright future. So IABM, in collaboration with Kolhapur Cancer Center, affiliated to Federation of Asian Biotech Association, is going to be one-stop platform to groom the students' career path. As an initiative, we have come out with exclusive biology online quiz, which is to be held on 5th September 2020. And I'm so thankful to all of you who have participated in this program because we have got about more than 2000 registration entries under different categories, starting from category 1, 11th, 12th standard, category 2 UG, category 3 PG, PhD, category 4 MBBS, BDS and category 5 faculty members. We're not only going to provide e-certificates to all participants, but under each category we are going to choose the best students and top scorers will be rewarded for this quiz competition under every single category. This is something very unique and first of its kind we are coming out with. So with your support and with God's blessings, I'm sure this program is going to be a grand success. Besides, from October 2020, we're also coming out with various short-term courses to long-term courses under IABM at your doorsteps. Please look into the description box of our YouTube channel IABM Space Online Bio of this video, where you would find series of micromastery courses. What is this micromastery course? It's a short-term course which will help you to learn or master every subject in just 6 hours and just ₹600. So we divide each course into 4 weeks, and every week we give you a video lecture, notes and MCQ series. And at the end of each month, after completion of the course and after completion of the MCQ test series, you would be given the certificate. And at a time, not only a single course, but you can choose multiple courses. And few courses, to name a few, are micromastery short-term courses in stem cell biology, cancer biology, cell biology, molecular biology, developmental biology, immunology, genetics, evolution. And not only theory, we are also coming out with short-term courses for basic cell culture technique, flow cytometry, RT-PCR and so on. So please look into the description box of this particular video under IABM Space Online Bio to understand more about micromastery courses, which is very unique, first of its kind, at your doorsteps. And remember, it is all done for just a single mission, that's to make learning imperative, innovative, informative and interesting. So with your support, not only micromastery courses, we are also going to come out with correspondence courses on stem cells and regenerative medicine and cancer therapeutics in collaboration with Kolhapur Cancer Center, affiliated to Federation of Asian Biotech Association. Besides, last but not the least, we are also going to come out with postgraduate diploma program under stem cells and regenerative medicine and cancer therapeutics. And under this postgraduate diploma program, you're going to get not only theoretical knowledge, practical hands-on training, industrial visits, nor projects or publications, all in single roof. So you would be getting all 5 things in one single roof of postgraduate diploma, including theory, practical, industrial training, projects and publications. And last but not the least, apart from all this, you're also going to get placement opportunity, which is going to be exclusive for all top scorers of this postgraduate diploma program. So with this, I'm signing off for today, but see you soon with a very exciting offer and unique courses and mock MCQ practice series in our YouTube channel on 25th August. Until then, stay tuned with exciting, enthusiastic, awaited videos in our YouTube channel. Take care. Bye-bye. Good day.